when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Okay, so we have some chicken breasts right here. Your boy and chopped up in little pieces. We're about to season them up and make it happen. All right, first season we're gonna use some of that paprika. We want it to really get that color. Boom. Then we're gonna use some mint real chicken seasoning. Get that all seasoned up real good. Then we're gonna hit it with some lemon pepper. And we're gonna pour a little bit of vegetable oil. Mix it in. Coat it up real good. That vegetable oil and our seasoning. That's gonna be right there. The seasoning smelling nice. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up and let this marinate for like 45 minutes to an hour. I say 45 to 50 minutes. 45 minutes to an hour. Go ahead, let that just go ahead and marinate and just sit. These bad boy been already soaking in some water for 20 minutes and we'll get it right. Okay, the chicken been marinated for an hour. So now we just go put some on there. You know what I mean? Just like that there. Let's try to come straight through the chicken just like that. Just like that. Set it aside. Just straighten it out, flatten it out, and then just come straight to the middle. Be careful, cause that bad boy will poke you. For real. Alright, so here we go right here. We're about to throw it in the oven on 400. Alright, so that's how we looking right there. Chicken is nice and done. Look at that. Tender. Man. Now if I go ahead, put it on this plate. So first we're gonna go ahead and add some Chick-fil-A sauce. Alright, the Chick-fil-A sauce. Then we're gonna add some sweet baby back Ray barbecue sauce. I'm gonna take them and just boom, just rub it in, just like that there. Take each one, just rub it in. Alright, so here we go right here. And when I say this is fire, this is fire. This is so good. Man. That sweet baby Ray barbecue sauce. And that delicious Chick-fil-A sauce. And it's fire. So I'm finna go ahead and throw it in the oven for like another 15 minutes. That's it. On 400. Then we'll get this good food on a nice plate. Alright, so here we go right here. We have our chicken shish kebabs. Have to throw the tomatoes in there with the white rice. Look at that right there. And when I say it's fire, this is fire. This is delicious, for real. I wish y'all could taste it. Real talk. But your boy doing his thing right here in this good kitchen. Know what I mean? Food nice and delicious. Kitchen smell good. Well, the house smell good. So I did my thing again. It's another one down. Stay tuned for the next video. And that I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notifications. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Yes. Hit dice.